When you go to a bank from a business like ours and try to get financing or support, they really don't have an understanding as to how your business works, how to value your business. Therefore, it's really hard to get them to work with you. And I think that's why we ultimately were self-financing for so long. My name is Craig Tuttle. I am an attorney at Leeseberg Tuttle. I'm actually the owner of the firm, and we're located in Columbus, Ohio. Our firm has 4 attorneys and 9 total employees. We handle varying types of personal injury cases, primarily medical malpractice, always on the plaintiff side. The challenges that a trial lawyer faces are growing every day, and a lot of them are based on the costs of what we do. We deal with medical experts on every case, and the costs continue to go up. Another issue that trial lawyers are facing is the costs that we face from the hospitals themselves. So our ability to make those connections for our clients and get them the experts that they need to support their case and pursue their case and prove their case, those costs are going up every single year. Being a contingency fee-based firm, we are spending a lot of money for our clients' cases, and that money is at risk every time in every case. But by using Esquire Bank, we've been able to work with the line of credit and allow that cash to be freed up for other purposes while the bank helps fund the litigation that we move forward with. Because of our partnership, we were able to secure lines of credit to both help our firm market itself, grow, and add technology to the firm. It's also helped us change the way that we finance the cases that we do. Prior to working with Esquire Bank, we were what they would call self-funded. Anytime we were advancing case expenses for our clients, that was money we were just putting out there, and it was gone until that case was over and we hopefully recovered. When you're self-financing, that is taking resources that you could be using to help grow that business or grow that staff, and you're putting it into the individual cases. So, not an ideal situation. When we made the decision to switch, it was driven in large part by one simple question. What do you like about your current bank? There was really nothing that we liked about our current bank. With traditional banks, you're being charged for everything. So if we could get rid of those costs, we saw an opportunity there to get a better experience with our bank and also get rid of some of those costs. So whether that was no fees on the accounts, having the ability to scan checks on site, having the ability to do free wire transfers, not having to send someone down to the branch to deposit checks, those were just things that were not available in our prior bank and make our ability to manage the business and to get our clients their money, most importantly, much simpler. The transition to Esquire Bank was very smooth. We had great assistance from the bank and its staff throughout that process. They really understand what we're doing, why we're doing it, and what that ultimately means from a financial perspective. As a firm that self-financed its cases for many years, I would recommend any firm that's doing contingent fee work for their clients consider working with Esquire Bank and use the case line of credit. What it's done is allowed us to take that money that we used to invest in those cases, allows us to hold on to that money and use it for other things to help grow our business and be more successful. We've been able to direct those funds into more aggressive marketing to help bring in more cases. Ultimately, that's our goal, is to get more cases, to help more people, and to grow our business.